Hello, Jeff Sauer here, and I want to talk to you about the periodic table of Google Analytics. Today's element is the not provided reports in Google Analytics, and this is a beginner level lesson, although it's a hard lesson for all of us to learn. As you probably noticed by now, I'm standing in the rain, soaking wet, because I thought what better setting than to show exactly what it feels like to not have your keyword data in Google Analytics. Now, this is something that basically Google took away our ability to see what keywords are driving people to our websites. It's been a while now, probably 5 years from the time that we record this video, and things still are unfortunate, still pretty annoying that we don't know what keywords drove people to our site, because keywords imply somebody's intent. It helps us with search, it helps us with remarketing, paid search, everything benefits from us knowing what keywords drove people to our site, and it's gone now, so it's been taken away. And so I wanted to record this video to talk about how I feel about it. So you can probably see from this setting, I started out today thinking I was going to be recording a sunny video, and then it started raining on my parade, and I was like, well, what rained on my parade in Google Analytics? And that's how we got to this point. And so not provided basically means that when somebody comes to your website through a search engine, through a secure search engine result, they're not providing you with the keyword referral string that makes it so these reports are possible. So back when I first started using Google Analytics, I could see every keyword somebody used to visit my website. Now we can see about 90 to 95% of them, 97%, 98%, 100% of our keywords are listed as not provided. So we can't see what keywords led to conversions. We can't see a lot of this stuff that's really important to us. And so obviously that's really unfortunate that that's the case, and annoying really. And so my pro tip for these reports is that you can replace some of the data that's in these reports by using the Google Search Console reports, by hooking it up to your site. Get some data back. It can tell you what landing pages are popular, but it's still not a replacement for keyword data, at least at the time we record this video. Hopefully Google does release the data again, and then I can, get back into the sun to record this video again, or just delete the video from the records, whatever it is. But my pro tip is to look elsewhere for the data. Get resourceful. Go find the data you're looking for elsewhere, because it's not going to be directly in Google Analytics. You might use third-party systems, you might use rank checkers. All these different things might help you understand where you're coming from and to get some of that data back. But as it stands living in Google Analytics, it's gone for good. And so my warning sign, or the thing to be aware of, or the gotcha that comes along with this, is don't put too much value in Search Console reports, because they're not really tied to the actions of people on your site. It's sort of a loose, fuzzy match between them. And so just don't read into this too much. Don't look at the 1% of keywords that are still left in your keyword report and think that they really mean much more than they do. It's basically, we're just looking at whatever's left over, and if we did our marketing based on the leftovers, I don't think we'd be very successful. So be aware of that. Basically, you're gonna have to become more resourceful in order to use your keyword data in the future. And so that's it for hopefully the only rainy edition that I'll ever do of the periodic table of Google Analytics. I'm Jeff Sauer. Go to jeffalytics.com for more elements, or visit our YouTube channel. The things that I do to make this effective. Thank you.